Hey guys, how's it going? Well, and today I'm down here and I've got a Cub Cadet 125 hydrostatic drive, and today I want to make up how big I want to make a box skirt raper for it, and it will mount up right back of there. So the way how it would work is a bar out here comes, extends, goes like that onto that. Then I've got a pin right here. See, pin slides into here. Okay. I've got a pin right here. See, cotter pin, just a simple cotter pin. Try to get this in with one hand. Hold on, guys. Okay, guys, well, I got the pin in. Not all the way there, but... Okay, well, I want to make a box skirt raper for it. And I want it to be about... Hold on, I want to see here how long. Okay. I at least want to make it as big as the deck, so from this side of the deck, that side to here is 39 inches, and I want to extend it another about 7 inches, so it will be around 46 to 48 inches. So, hey guys, well, here on my computer, I don't know if it's here. Okay, well, I came out is with the dimensions of the box scraper is what I want to make for my Cub Cadet 125 hydrostatic. Well, okay, is I want to make it 45 to 50 inches wide and 12 to 14 inches high. And I want to make the two things. I want to make it about 7 to 9 inches wide. And the whole thing, I want it to be 16 to 20 inches long. And I want to add a ripper bar, and I want to make it a adjustable, is with a set of pins up here is what makes it go up and down. And I want to make it be able to go for around the original height to extend about to 4 inches. So is what I want to do is I want to put a piece of box steel here and then put a support beam onto there and then weld it all here, all there, all there. And then I want to weld here and then weld on some tabs on top, and then have another piece of box steel out into a C thing is what would connect to the back of the hitch on my Cub Cadet. Alright guys, stay tuned for part 2.